If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The night would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know. Let's take us where we want. Hello mga Lods, what's up sa inyo? Ngayon, ituturo ko yung Nothing's Gonna Change My Love For You. May nag-request sa akin ito guys, through PM. Ituturo ko daw kasi nakapanood na raw siya ng tutorial ng ganitong song, pero kulang, hindi sinabi dun sa last part ng song yung mga chords ng instrumental, tapos yung mataas na parte dun sa last part guys, di ba mataas na yung chorus dun, tapos yung, di ba magta-transpose dun, basta ako magtuturo niyan guys para sa inyo. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin ay, para makuha nyo agad, ay ganito. Gaya yung sinasabi ko noon na ganito lang yung strum, na ganito lang, dahan-dahan na pababa. Bagay na bagay naman yung strum na down lang pababa dito sa kantang ito. Okay, simulan na natin. Ito yung mga chords sa kanyang verse. Sorry, intro pala, kasi same yung chords ng intro tapos chorus. Ganito lang, i-strumming nyo lang siya ng pababa. Then F sharp. F major 7 pala guys. C, F major 7, o kaya F. Mamili kayo dyan guys, F o kaya F major 7. Pwede yan. Pero mas nire-recommend ako sa inyo tong F major 7. Ito lang, ganito. Second string, first fret. Third string, second fret. Fourth string, third fret. Yan, magkakasunod na ano lang, fret. Magkakasunod din na string. Yan, next ay G. Then E. E7. Yan, mabilis. Tinanggal mo lang yung ring finger sa E7. Then A minor. D. F. G. Then C. Tapos yung sangat, yung parang buntot niya, G. Then verse. Verse ka na doon. Okay? Tapos sa verse naman niya guys ay ganito. If you had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The night would seem so long. Okay, C. Then ito, dalawang string. Itong second string sa third fret. Tapos ito, bass ng B sa fifth string ng second fret. Yan, dalawang string lang yung napindot dyan guys. Pero yung nakikita nyo sa screen, di ba, G, pwede naman. If I had to live G without you near me. Kaya G, o kaya yon G over B guys, pwede nyong gamitin yan. G over B ang tawag dito. Pero mas required ko tong gamitin nyo, tong G over B. Mas maganda yung tunog niya. Okay? If I had to live my life without you near me. A minor. E minor. The days would all F. Yan. Medyo magtatagal sa F. Kasi gagawin nyo to. Alisin nyo yung bass ng F. Parang mag-open siya. Ganon yung tunog niya. Kasi pwedeng F tapos E minor, pero hindi ko na nilagay yung E minor. Alisin mo na lang tong bass ng F. Magiging open yung 6th string dyan. Yan, ganun siya. Yan, that's D minor. Night would seem so G. Yan, tapos ulitin mo lang ulit yung mga chords na yan. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but never felt this strong. Okay, then next, yung refrain, F. Yan, E minor, B flat, Yun. Kung nahihirapan kayo sa B flat guys, ituro natin. Yan, yung 2, 3, 4 na string sa 3rd fret, di ba? Ganyan. Nakaganyan siya. Tapos yung hinto turo ay pindot mo na lang doon sa first string ng 1st fret. Pero kung kaya mo naman ng B flat, ay bar mo lang yan. Okay? To take us where we want. F. Then D minor. Hold me now. E minor. Touch me now. F. I don't want to lead you. Okay, ulitin natin. Our dreams are young and we both know to take us where we want to go. Hold me now. Touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Next, chorus na, yung intro kanina. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. My whole life too would change my love for you. Then meron siyang interlude guys, isang chord lang, G. Okay, di ba? Napakadali lang yung mga chords niya. Medyo mahihirapan lang tayo guys dun sa ituturo nating mga chords dun sa last part niya. Medyo maraming bar chords yun, pero kayang-kaya yan guys. Tapos next ay second verse. If the road ahead is not so easy, I'll love will lead the way for us. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you when you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. And refrain ulit. So come with me and share with me. I'll help you forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. No one may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change. Dito na guys, tataas na dito. Ito yung sinasabi natin na ituturo natin. Nothing's gonna change. Yan, yung chord na yan ay bar chord na G. Kaya ako ginawa yan guys ay ilipat na ako dito. Ayan. Ilipat ako ng isang fret. G sharp yan, G sharp. Ganito. Nothing's gonna change my love for nothing gonna change. Oh, di ba? Ganun yun, di ba? Nothing's gonna change my love for nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Okay, ituro muna natin yan guys, di ba? Nagtapos sa G na ganito. Nakikita nyo naman sa screen. Tapos lalaktaw ka sa ano, sa G sharp. Then C sharp. Then F sharp. G sharp. Daming puro bar chords, di ba? Then F. Then F7, tanggalin mo lang yung pinky mo. Then B flat minor. Okay, ulitin natin. Doon sa last part ng chorus. instrumental, ganito. A. Then yung last part, yung mataas na chorus na, ay ganito, D. Yun, paulit-ulit na lang dun guys ha. Ito yung mga chords niya. Nasa screen naman, ang nilagay natin. Basta yung paglipat mo ay same lang ng tempo ng chord. First at second chorus kanina. Mas mataas lang ng isang note na dun. Yun, di ba? Dalawang beses kasi siyang lumaktaw. Dalawang beses siyang nag-transpose. Una dun sa C sharp kanina. Tapos lumaktaw ulit ng half note, naging D. Yun, bali dalawang beses siyang transpose ng chords. Kaya medyo mahirap doon sa part na yun. Okay, pero pag pre-practice nyo yan guys ay kaya naman. Okay, yun lang guys at sana may natutunan ulit kayo. Salamat, bye!